Welcome to this comprehensive course for DuckDB, one of the most exciting developments in the database world in recent years. Whether you are a data scientist, analyst, engineer, or just curious about modern data tools, this video will give you everything you need to know about this powerful analytical database. So, what exactly is DuckDB? DuckDB is an open-source, in-memory analytical database management system designed specifically for OLP workloads. Think of it as SQLite, but optimized for analytics rather than transactions. What makes DuckDB special is its combination of simplicity and power. Unlike traditional database systems that require complex setups and server configurations, DuckDB is embeddable, requiring zero configuration. It runs anywhere, in your browser, on your laptop, or in the cloud. Let me highlight some key features that make DuckDB stand out. DuckDB offers in-memory processing with the ability to scale beyond available RAM. It uses a columnar storage format optimized for analytical queries. It supports SQL with rich analytical functions. It provides vectorized query execution for lightning-fast performance. You can directly query CSV Parquet, JSON, and other file formats. It integrates with Python, R, Java, and other languages. And it supports ACID transactions for data integrity. The beauty of DuckDB lies in its design philosophy: simple, fast, and focused on analytical workloads. Now, I mentioned OLAP several times, so let's clarify what that means and why DuckDB excels at it. OLAP, or Online Analytical Processing, refers to database operations that focus on complex queries for business intelligence and data analysis. This contrasts with OLTP, which handles day-to-day transaction operations. Typical OLAP operations include aggregating large volumes of data, computing statistical measures across dimensions, performing complex joins and filters, and conducting historical trend analysis. DuckDB has a fascinating origin story that helps explain its unique position in the database ecosystem. DuckDB was created in 2018 at CDWI, a research institute in the Netherlands. Their goal was ambitious but focused: create an analytical database system with the same ease of use as SQLite, but optimized for analytical workloads rather than transactional ones. What's particularly interesting about DuckDB's development is that it stems from rigorous academic research. Multiple peer-reviewed papers have been published about its architecture and performance characteristics, giving it a solid theoretical foundation. Since its inception, DuckDB has grown rapidly in popularity, particularly in the data science community. It's now maintained by the DuckDB Foundation, ensuring its continued development as an open-source project. This history is important because it shows how DuckDB bridges the gap between academic research and practical industry tools, a rare achievement in database technology. Speaking of commercialization, let's talk about MotherDuck, an exciting development in the DuckDB ecosystem. MotherDuck is a cloud-based analytics platform built on top of DuckDB. Founded in 2022 by Jordan Tigani, former director of engineering for Google BigQuery, along with several original DuckDB creators, MotherDuck extends DuckDB's capabilities to the cloud. What MotherDuck brings to the table is the ability to scale DuckDB beyond a single machine, while maintaining its simplicity and performance advantages. It provides a serverless execution model, where you can seamlessly transition between local processing and cloud-based processing, depending on your data size and computational needs. While DuckDB remains completely open source and free to use, MotherDuck provides a commercial option for those who need additional scalability and enterprise features. This hybrid approach is particularly valuable for data scientists and analysts who work with datasets that occasionally exceed their local computing resources, but don't want to deal with the complexity of traditional big data systems. For developers and those interested in the technical aspects of DuckDB, the project's GitHub repository is a treasure trove of information. DuckDB's GitHub repository is located on github.com. The codebase is primarily written in C++, focusing on performance and portability. What's impressive about DuckDB's GitHub presence is not just the code itself, but the active community surrounding it. The project has thousands of stars and hundreds of contributors. You'll find detailed documentation and examples. There are regular releases with significant improvements. You can participate in active issue discussions and feature development. And there's support for multiple programming languages through extensions. To wrap up, DuckDB represents a significant innovation in the database world by bringing analytical processing power to environments where traditional data warehouses would be overkill. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today. Let's see in the next video.